Okay, as you can see, impatient Jenny finally let everything dry. And you can see I've gone in with some white dots. I added some lines to this bleed to add interest. Finished off the little flowers. I think I need a little something in here, so I'm going to try another little trick. This is a straw, and I'm just dipping it in my white. And you can do this with any color, but the white, the pigment white, works better because it's more opaque. Makes kind of a cool dot. Added that detail. Then last but not least, I'm going to add a little dark sponging to this one because it's a little boring and because I just never know when to stop. So I'm going to pick up my sponge. I've made a little puddle of alizarin. I'm going to test it on another page. Looks like I need a little bit more. And I'm going to go in and stamp a little bit more sponge texture. Hope you can see that. So the next thing we're going to do, once all of that fun stuff dries, is pull up the resist and see how that batik section looks. I'll be right back.